I'll order 50 cans of apple juice, 90 cans of Coca-Cola, and a Monster. Would you like anything, sir?
Yeah,
Too bad.
I'll take what I want of everything.
And charge it to this man.
No, charge it to him.
Yeah, charge it to them. And I will take chew on these. I will take chew on these peanuts, pretzels, Nabasco, and the lights.
I'll take a pretzel. Make like 20 pretzels.
20 bags of pretzels, and I would like to buy this. 50 packs of pretzels.
No, make it 100. Make it 100.
100 packs of pretzels. Oh no, something wrong with the plane. Something wrong with the plane. Something wrong with the plane. It says the seatbelt sign. Something wrong with the plane. 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 Something wrong with the plane, man. Something wrong with the plane. Something wrong with the plane. Something wrong. Something wrong with the plane. Something wrong with the plane. Yes. Okay, get it off. Oh no. Something wrong. Get on, sucker. Get it. Put on. It's not going in. It's not going in. It's not going in. It's not going in. It's not going to go. Oh, yeah, that way. I totally knew that. Saved my life. I saved my life. Ugh, don't bite on that.